Hello tubers, it's your crazy British bloke here. Well, I've just got up. It's Monday morning, ready to go to work. And, well, I've got something to show you. Well, there you go, tubes. Everybody kept saying to me, have you got any snow yet? Well, now we have. Quite a bit of it by the looks. Yeah, looks like we've had at least a good foot to 2 foot of it blowing around, and this is what I have to contend with. Look, there's my truck just buried. Look at that. If I go to work, I've got to clean that off now. Oh well, we'll get on with that, and we're going to see if we can dig Joe out and see if we can get to work. Oh yeah, look, they're out already clearing stuff. Look, that's what it's going to consist of now for about the next 8 to 12 weeks, I suppose. Lovely, eh? Oh well, we'll get on with it. I'll talk to you later. Well, there you go, tubers. Look, there's a state of our roads here. Not too bad, actually. Really slippery. It's like -9. -9, and it is -9. Look, there. -9. That's what it is outside. I know you've had a bit of snow in England and that, and you probably get it double as bad elsewhere, but I don't know, I don't like this stuff. I just don't like it. Slipping, the truck slips everywhere, it's nasty. Probably see a few crashes today, bound to. Once we get that first dump, everybody doesn't seem to slow down until they start seeing people in the ditches and everywhere, and then it sort of slows them down a bit. Well, I'll take the camera with me today and see if we can see anything, you know, happening. Right, we're on our way down to Joe's now. As you can see, once you get off the main roads don't look too bad, but then this is what you've got to contend with. Eh? Cool, eh? And this is only the first little bit of the snow. Wait till we get a load more. There's no ploughing down here, as you can see. Just a few vehicles. Joe is only just out of the city limit. Our truck does all right though. It might be a bit worse when we get into his road up here in a sec. He lives on the other side of all of these trees here, so we'll have to see. Yeah, very cool. It's all very good till another vehicle comes towards you, like this one. We should be all right as long as we can keep going. Once you stop, you've had it. Yeah, we're a bit sideways. Oh yeah, bloke got her though. This is where we've got to turn into. Yeah, it looks like, no, I don't think anyone's been in here yet ploughing. No, nobody. Yeah, they've had some snow out here. Looks like quite a bit of it. Out of Joe's drive's been ploughed, we might have to dig him out. So I thought I'd come over here this morning. Trouble is, where's the road gone? I'm sort of here somewhere. It might be on someone's front lawn. I know, you can see the posts. See little posts everywhere? That shows you where their lawns are, see? All good fun, eh? The winter wonderland. No, no one's been ploughing Joe's drive. Oh my God. Great, there's Joe's house. Oh look, yeah, that's been ploughed. A long time ago though. Alright, we're here. That's the old Denali, look at that, eh? Have to clean that off in a minute. Right, what's the other fun we can come up with today? Well, I'm down at Joe's, and look, this is how we clean the roads here, eh? Look at that thing. That's what you call a plough, eh? Cool. Don't know if he's going to do another run or not. Looks like it's a big pile. He might come down again. We'll have a look. There you go, tubers. That's how we clean the snow here, look. That's what you call a plough. Get a load of that, eh? Look at that thing. Eh? Cool. Really cool. Well, you didn't do a very good job that time. Is there a bit of trouble with his old plough blade there? Eh? Maybe you get her this time, eh? That's better. See how much snow we've had? That's only overnight. And then you've got to go and clean the end of your driveway. So it pushes it all in your driveway, see? Not very good.